What is going on, guys? Welcome to another training. So today I'm going to give you my affiliate marketing tips if you want to start an affiliate business from complete scratch. Now, let me show you the strategy. So first of all, it's important to promote high quality products. High quality products. So basically, I promote high ticket products in the make money online niche, specifically for high ticket affiliate marketing. So let's say that we have here our own offer, and then this is the opt-in page. We collect an email. We have here the traffic strategies. So basically these are two: paid traffic and free traffic strategies. Usually the free traffic strategies is when we create content. So I'm going to write here content creation. Now it's important to know your numbers. Okay, but first of all, we're going to put here these emails because this is our nurturing sequence. Email number 1, 2, 3. And remember that you can write as many as emails as you can to promote multiple affiliate products, to send your main core offer to your subscribers, and also to give valuable information to your email list. So here it's important. So why is it important to know your numbers? So when you start driving traffic to your sales funnel, you need to track here the percentage of opt-in rate. Basically, this percentage is how many people is putting their information inside of your opt-in page, and how many people don't. So for example, if we send like 100 visits to this opt-in page and we collect only like 3 emails, our opt-in rate is going to be 40%. And we need to increase that number as high as possible. So we need to increase this. Then we're going to have a percent of people who bought the affiliate offer in the front end. So this is going to be our percentage of conversion. And then we are going to have in the emails a percentage of open rate that is going to tell you how many people are opening the emails. And also we're going to have a percentage of click-through rate, which is going to be the percentage of people who click the links inside of the emails. And this entire system is going to be our sales funnel or automated sales system. Okay, so that being said, it's important it's important to know our numbers. So the percentage of opt-in rate, the percentage of opt, the percentage of conversion. So sorry here. So this is conversion. Conversion, the percentage of open rate when someone opens the emails, and the percentage of click-through rate, which is how many people is clicking our links inside of the emails. Now, let's say that we start sending traffic, and if we see that our percentage of opt-in rate is like below 5%, so that means that we need to work on the opt-in page, the title, or the hook, and all the information inside of this page, because if we have a low opt-in rate here, it's going to be difficult for us to collect emails, because we're sending traffic to this opt-in page, right? And let's say that we are like working, creating YouTube videos, creating TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and we are just working to drive traffic to that opt-in page. And if we can't convert those people to put their emails, if we can't do that, it's going to be super hard to grow our email. That is why I like to use done for you systems or done for you funnels, because these funnels are proven to work. And if I send traffic to this opt-in page, I'm going to know that I'm going to collect emails. Okay, so this is really critical. The percentage of opt-in rate, we need to increase that percentage. Then some people are going to buy that offer, and we can track, for example, if from 100 people to see this page, so in this case it's going to be the offer from 100 people to see the offer, how many people is buying from our affiliate link in the front end. And we need to increase that percentage as well. The same thing with our nurturing sequence. We need to increase our percentage of opt-in rate, which means that we need to work on our copywriting skills. Copywriting skills. If we can develop good copywriting skills, we are going to increase these two KPIs. Okay, cool. So basically, guys, I think that it's important to know all this information, because when we start with affiliate marketing, we usually just start sending traffic to that opt-in page, right? And sometimes we don't track our own numbers. So we need to track all this information to see in which part of this automated sales system, which part we need to improve of this automated sales system. If we can improve these KPIs that are in red, we are going to we're going to have greater results because we're going to increase that stats. And remember that if we can increase the number of emails that we can collect, and if we have good copywriting skills, if we are promoting high quality products, it's a matter of time, and it's going to be super logical to increase our affiliate marketing commissions. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe. God bless, and talk to you soon.